Hi everyone, my name is Svea and I'm 25 years old and I'm studying sociology in Constance. So I came to Constance 1 year ago and I'm very glad that I decided to come to Constance because, first of all, there is the lake and this is very special about Constance. And now that it is summer, I really enjoy sitting at the lake with friends, play some volleyball maybe, or spike ball, have a beer, stuff like that. And there are also, of course, the mountains, which is very nice. And I really enjoy riding my bike, and all the landscape and the area around Constance is very beautiful. So yeah, this is all a very big bonus, so to say. I did my bachelor degree in Tübingen, and there the university is very spread out all over the city. And I really like that in Constance, the university is very close together. So we have this campus university and everything is in this one place. There is the lectures, of course, the library, the Mensa. Also, we have a beer garden, so this is very nice. Specifically for sociology, the seminars are quite small, and I really learned to like this or see the advantages here, because the atmosphere in the seminars is very, very nice, and there are good discussions, and the teaching is very, very close, so to say, and I really see the advantages and I can learn quite a lot. This is all very nice. First of all, I would say that sociology of inequalities is a very important field in sociology. No one can seriously deny, I think, that in every society there are people who have a greater share of resources, of money, education, but also power and health. And I think that it is very important to measure, for example, the structural conditions that then contribute to these social inequalities. It could be, for example, the public policies, but also general beliefs in a society. And I have to say, it is sometimes quite frustrating to study inequality, because, of course, it really shows the shocking amount maybe of the social inequalities that are still even in a country like Germany, and there are so many things that are left to be done. But it is also very nice, and I enjoy it because you also learn that there is something that can be done, and if you know the mechanisms, maybe that there is the point where you can start to reduce maybe the inequalities. So currently I am visiting a seminar that is called Measuring Inequality. And in this seminar, we have so far focused on different measures or different indices that enable researchers to calculate the extent of inequality. And such an index could be, for example, the Gini coefficient. Maybe you know it because it is very widely used. It is used to measure the amount of income inequality, for example, in a country. And with these indices, you are then able to compare the amount of inequality, for example, in different regions or countries, etc. And of course, this seminar is very methodical, but I also attended a seminar where we've discussed gender inequalities. That was very nice. and interesting. And I also had a bigger project seminar, which lasted 2 semesters, where I did my own study on educational inequalities. And at the moment, I'm also starting to think on my master thesis, which is supposed to analyze the mechanisms that lead to social inequalities in student dropouts from higher education. And I have the chance to use this big data set, the Constance student survey, which is very nice. And I am really excited how everything will work out and what I will find.